Attention parents. All of the videos on How To Kids are kid-friendly, but direct adult supervision is required for all of them. We do not knowingly collect, use, or disclose personal information from children under age 13. If you are under age 13, you must ask your parent or guardian for permission to watch this video or any video on How To Kids. Parents, by allowing your child to watch this video, you are consenting to usage information being disclosed for advertising purposes, which is integral to the operation of this channel. If you do not consent, please stop watching the video now. Thank you and enjoy How To Kids.
Welcome to How To Kids. We're excited today to have you joining us as we show you how to make a paper airplane that's going to fly super far like a laser. Okay, so we're going to show you step by step how to do that, and hopefully you get to have a fun time together. Parents, have a good time with your kids making it, as well as having fun. Maybe you can do some contests afterward. Here we go. So you take your 8.5 by 11 piece of paper and you're going to fold it hot dog style. Okay, so long ways, you're going to fold it in half. So try to line it up as best you can. All right, good job. Good job. Okay, let's make sure that it's all the way to the edge, all lined up like that, so that it's nice. It's gotta fly far. I think you'll be able to beat everybody now. Okay? So once you've got that, you've created a crease down the middle. So you open your paper back up. Okay, you're gonna open it back up like this, set it down, and then you're now going to take one corner and fold it down to the middle. Okay? Ooh, it's like a computer. I like that. Okay, so you fold it down to the middle. You see that? So just like that, can you fold one corner down so that it lines up right along the middle? Good job. Okay, so you got one there, and then you're going to do the same to the other side. Okay? Same to the other side. Fold it down to the middle, and I'll show you as soon as I'm done with that one what yours should look like. All right, so that's what it should look like. You folded both corners down to the center line that you had just created. All right, you got it? Good job, bud. Oh, let's make sure it doesn't overlap, okay? That's an important thing, is that you don't want it to overlap, because then it won't fly properly and won't once you fold it together. Okay, now that you have it like that, you will now, we're gonna fold down to the middle again, but this time we're taking this corner down and we're gonna fold right to the middle there. Okay, sorry, I was kind of covering up your face, Kate. Okay, so now you're gonna fold down to the middle, just like this. I'll show you as soon as I do this. So you're folding the corner down, see, like that, fold it right to the center line again. Okay, and you're gonna do that to both sides. So you guys can do that to both sides. All right, you bring this down, bring it on to the middle, just like that. Okay, you think you can do it to the other side now? Do you think you can do it on this side now? Do just the same thing that we just did there, okay? Make sure it all stays in place there. Ooh, I like it. Good job. Okay, I gotta do it to my other side. Fold it to the center line again. And there we go. Okay, good job. Looks good. Looks good. Perfection. I love it. Okay, now what you're going to do, now that you have it folded like this, you fold it in half. Okay, along that first center line that you created, you're gonna fold it in half, so it should look like this. Nope, you want the parts that you folded in the middle. Okay, so you want the parts that you folded in the middle of the airplane. Got it? Just like that. Perfect. Okay, now you're gonna take the two wings and fold them down to the bottom side of the airplane. Okay, so you're gonna take this top part, fold it down to the bottom of the airplane so that it goes nice and straight, just like that. Okay, so you've taken this, fold it down so that it goes right along the bottom of the airplane there. Okay, you got that? So you're gonna fold down this whole thing here right along the bottom. You see that? So it makes a nice, good point there. Like I said, it's gonna be like a torpedo going super fast, like a laser. Alright, fold that down to that bottom part, just like that. You got it? Can you do the other side now? Oh, you gotta pull this side down. So the top part, you fold it down to the bottom. Yep, just like that. Good job. Nice. Push it down nice and tight. Okay. Do the same to the other side.
I'm done.
So once again, you're folding it straight down so that it lines up right along. Don't throw it yet. Oh, it's gone now. Whatever. Just joking. Okay, you fold it down to that bottom of the airplane. And once you've done that, that's it. It's nice and simple, but man, I've won competitions, distance competitions with this design right here. Nice and easy, not very many steps. Any kids can do it. Maybe sometimes you might need to get a little bit of help from mom or dad, right? But then you just throw it. So I think we're gonna probably design ours, make them look cool. Do we wanna do that before we go out and test them out?
Yeah.
All right, so we got some markers, some crayons. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay, let's design these. Let's make them look awesome.
I'm always drawing.
You're already drawing? You're doing gold? Yeah. Nice, I like it. Ready? Let's start with Tanner. Tanner, why don't you show what you colored?
I colored these two wings bright blue, like sort of bright blue. So then, and then I know that blue looks good with green, bright green, and it also looks good with yellow, which Eli did, and will come to him. And so I did bright green that looks closer to blue, and then I did dark green that's close to bright green, and then blue because I already put blue right here, and then it was far enough away. But I didn't do anything right here, and I think it actually helps it look cool.
Nice.
And yeah.
I think it looks awesome. That was sweet. Good job.
Okay,
Kate, show yours.
has like this peach color and has this green, and these are rocket boosters,
Oh, yeah.
and there's green around it, and then there's dark green, and then around these blue things, and those are rocket boosters too, and then this yellow thing I made because that part kind of looks like an airplane, and the gray part looks like a gray airplane, and the red part means the tip can hurt people real bad that they bleed.
Oh no. Better stay away from that one. Okay, and I just did a little quick crayon along the edges, just kind of trim, kept it simple. Nothing too fancy. Eli, tell us about yours.
I did all go with some blue, and I just did all that stuff and blue and gold to make green because I did a little green on it.
Yeah, good job.
Got this
Okay,
here,
should we
please?
go out? Should we go out and fly them?
Yeah!
All right, let's do it. Woo! That was a good one. Okay, Kate, show us how yours goes. Oh yeah, that was a good one. Okay, go ahead, Tanner. Woo! That was the farthest one yet. See if I can get it. Ooh, I got a little wind to help me out. Oh yeah! Ooh, it's
Thanks for watching.